My name's Grant Keene. I graduated from Upper Arlington in 2024, and I've been a lifeguard at Tremont Pool for about 5 years now. Something people might not realize about being a lifeguard is definitely the training that goes into being one. There's a lot of recertification, certifications, and just skills that you have to be a lifeguard here. I would say if you're thinking about becoming a lifeguard, I'd go ahead and do it. It's a great summer job. I don't have any regrets with coming here. I've gained a lot of skills from all the different challenges that come with being a lifeguard. Just everyone that I've met has been so awesome, so supportive, and I've made some lifelong friends. The team here is very supportive. The managers do a great job of making sure everyone knows what to do, and the lifeguards are always there for you if you need an extra hand on chores or just helping out around the pool. I'm very grateful for the opportunities that UA Parks and Rec has provided me with. I've gained many skills and met so many people here. And it's been a great past couple of years, and I look forward to spending more time here throughout the next couple.